Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Johnny, and today I'll be doing the unboxing for this wireless this true wireless earbud, which I recently bought from Shopee because it was a 11/11 promotion. All right, just a couple of, I think it was just about 1 week ago, and it's actually from this brand called Amoi. All right, so let's go in. All right, let's unbox it. In fact, I just received it very recently. It was delivered pretty quickly. Right. Just to let you know, the original price of this earbud, okay, listed in Shopee was about $58, and then because of the 11/11, it was reduced to $9.90. Yeah, and then after I applied like the Shopee voucher, it was only like $9.50. Yeah, right. That. Okay, it has a thank you card from Amoi, right? And then, oh, not bad. Okay, carrying case. Let's put this aside. Okay, the carrying case, I'll just put it aside. Note: review are the life of our shop. Thank you. I want to thank you for your recent purchase. Okay. Right. Okay. So this is the actual product. Okay. Let's go in. Remove the plastic sleeve. Right. So some basic. Yeah, it's this called F9 series. Right. It's a wireless earbud. Right. It says here truly wireless headset earbud. Right. It has Bluetooth version 5.1. I'm not too sure how sure is that. It claims to have 5 hours of playtime on each charge, and the charging case has 2000 ampere. Right. So okay, at the back, okay, this is how the earbud looks like. Okay. Now on the back it says that okay, the version is TWS F9. It has a 10-meter range for the Bluetooth. Charging time is about 1 to 2 hours. If you are using it for talking, okay, for phone calls, WhatsApp call, it's about 4 hours. And if you're just playing music, it's about 4 to 5 hours. All right. The battery in the earpiece is about 50 ampere. The charging case is about 2000 ampere. So that gives you about, well, not bad, for 40 charges. Wow. Amazing. I'll be testing out that later. All right, over the next 1 week. Yeah, for the next couple of weeks I'll be testing it out. But today is just the unboxing and the initial impression. Yeah, okay, let's go right in. So we open it up. Okay, and the color, I think this indicator here is black. Okay, so put this out. Okay, put it aside. Alright, so this is what you have. This is what you see inside. Alright, I think it's really really what you pay, what you get. Okay. So this is the charging case itself. Okay. Oh, so there's an instruction manual here. Okay, I'll come to that a bit later. So the earpiece, I think okay, so it's one. This is on the left. Okay. The other one. This is the right. Yep. Okay. And then they give you spare ear tips. Okay. One. I think this is the medium. This is a large one. So it comes default with medium earbuds. Alright. Ear holes. Okay, so I'll put this all aside for now. And let's lay this, and let's open up this one to see what's inside. Right, cheap plastic. What's this? Okay, it also has a certificate. Okay, it has its own qualified certificate. Alright, QC pass. And charging cable. Okay, the charging cable, it uses micro USB. Right, you can see here micro USB. So USB A to micro USB. Right, let's put this aside. The manual is all in Chinese. It's all in Chinese. Okay, come to that a bit later. Right, so there you go. Right, so when you first open it up, yep, it's in that cheap plastic case. Okay, so it has this plastic wrapper, as you can see from here. So I'm going to take it out and see what's the overall texture. It's a very thin plastic. Yeah. Oh, okay. I think randomly I have to open it up. Okay, so it's okay. So it's pretty well built. Yeah, pretty well built. Okay, Amoi, this name, and then in Chinese is called Xiaxing. Right, Xiaxing. Let's see the case. Oh, okay. I think there's a gentle spring to it. All right. Okay, 2000 ampere. All right. Then there's a casing here. Rubber, and then you see there's a USB A, and then again you get to see this. Okay, the micro USB. So if I'm not wrong, this would be where the power inlet should be. You know, where you're charging this case, and then this one probably maybe you can also add as a power bank. I'm not too sure. Right, I'll come to that a bit later and see what the other features. So yeah, so first impression, not too shabby. No, really, for something that costs like $9.50, I got it for less than 10 bucks, 10 Singapore dollars. Oh, right, so, right, the casing you can see here, it's translucent. Nice, cool. Translucent. Alright, so here, this is where, let's see if it has any charge inside. Okay, so the right goes to here. Right. The left goes to here. Okay, so as you can see, there's still about 77% charge left. So when it's charging, it will be in red color. So you can just pop it in and it'll start charging. You don't need to actually close the casing. You know? So when it closes, it looks like this. Nice. Yeah, very, very nice. Okay, so let's test out. Like maybe probably just see how easy it is to connect to the phone. Right? I'm going to my YouTube. Okay, so here you can see is my phone, right? So after Bluetooth first. Now, based on the instruction manual, how to connect. Right. Okay. So, let's see. It's, well, bear in mind, because it's in Chinese, it takes me a bit of time, alright? So, okay, so I need to take out the left. Okay, the instruction says take out the left. Okay, so I switch on the Bluetooth on my phone. Take out the left. Okay, and then you see it blue color blinking. Okay. It's scanning. Should I take out both? Wow, it's really... there we go. Amoi F9. So, pairing. Okay. Alright, so it doesn't say it's in pairing mode. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it again. Okay, I put it out. Put it in my... Right. So I'll be pairing one by one. Just want to see how easy it is to actually pair. Fail again. Okay. Let's see. Refresh. Okay, pair. Okay, so my left side is connected. Now I'm gonna test. Now I'm gonna take out the right side. Let it charge for a while. Oh, okay, it's dropped by 1%. Okay. Okay, so now it's both side connected. Alright, so I think it takes a while, right? For those of you who don't really know Mandarin, alright, I'll probably do a separate connection video for this particular earpiece, alright, so that you have you know how to connect it if you intend to buy this, right? So I'm not gonna do any review yet, just want to test, alright. Okay. Right, it's playing now. Okay. Cool. Okay. So it connects I think it takes a bit of getting used to connecting it. Right. Okay. So yeah. Right. So I'm gonna switch off the Bluetooth now. In terms of quality wise, I would say in terms of build wise, quality wise, you can see here, right, the earbud. Okay. I would say quality wise is really good, right? For something that costs only $9.50, it's like less than $10 on Shopee, and it's I think it's one of the top 5 best selling models when I was actually buying this, like top 5. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this is an unboxing, all right, and it's an initial impression, right? So far, my impression of this product is good. Okay, if you scale off just first impression, okay, I'm looking forward to test it further because it comes with 76% charging, well, 77% when I first open it up. So yeah, all right. So this is the unboxing and my first impression of Amoi V9 wireless earbud, all right, which I bought from Shopee on 11/11, and I'll be doing more tests and review of this headset. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and okay, till the next video. Bye bye.